Okay, I'm going to take out my parakeet. This is step 1. Open the cage. See, if you have a metal cage, you'll have this handle. You take it out. Open the door. Remember, get gloves. And then let your parakeet be right there. Let it stay there for a minute. You put your hand out. See? Well, he doesn't really come to you the first time. But remember, you don't want to grab him really hard. Here. See? Watch. See? If their wings are clipped, they can't fly. If their wings aren't clipped, it's pretty hard. It's hard. First time they fly. The second time, you gotta hold them. Gotta sneak up. And you talk to them. Say good things. You're a good girl.